Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the Costco Samurai. If you haven't done already, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family if you think this is important. What you're seeing here is an amazing feat. My wife continues to deliver perfectly. My Japanese wife, knowing that I was craving some Filipino food, and in Japan, I live in Osaka, I can't get any Filipino food. There's no restaurants here. So what she did is she made this perfect sinigang soup. Sinigang is like this is like a pork soup. Has a sour taste to it. It's that perfect sourness. And she ordered on Amazon some sinigang powder or ingredients that you can put into the soup. And then she shopped around for some pork, some green beans, some okra, some daikon, some eggplant, and she made this gorgeous sinigang soup. And then, of course, you could put it on rice here. I'm putting it over koshikari rice from Sado Island, and then and then going back to the sinigang soup, very very tasty, very very filling, just something that I was craving for. Here we have some gyoza as well that she purchased, hodie or hodai hodaiichi. I forgot, but anyway, so that's my sinigang as I'm preparing for my Fuji trip in August. At the end of August, I'm going to be climbing the Gotemba Trail. It's one of the hardest trails, so I'm trying to pick up some items that I need, some required items that I need, like boots. You need some really good boots. You need some wear to keep you warm. Some trekking poles, some lights, since we're going to be trekking at night. And here I'm at Ishii Sports, just looking at some of the information. Today I was looking for a backpack. In Japan, they call it ruk, not Luke Skywalker, but ruk. And so I purchased a 50-liter Millet red backpack, which is pretty awesome. It has all the mechanisms to make the backpack feel pretty light as I tend to walk. Here is a 30 plus 5 liter. It's at 28,000. I think mine at 50 liters was at 39,000. Very nice backpacks. They look pretty big, but they're not that bad in weight. And plus they have these special mechanisms where, of course, the weight kind of falls on your hips and less weight on your shoulders. And of course, it makes it easier on your back. So I'm looking forward to picking the right items that I need for Mount Fuji. I don't want to pack too much. Maybe I'm hoping that my pack is going to be about 10 kilograms max, probably mostly fluids and energy gels, protein, stuff like that to get me through the hike, to make sure that my muscles are firing and not getting tired with the lactic acid. So I am making sure that I want to make sure that I'm fueled for the trip. Again, these are some pretty nice backpacks that they have over at Ishii Sports in Umeda, which is pretty fun. A lot of camping gear and hiking gear. So it's pretty popular here in Japan. Obviously, a lot of people like to go hiking. And here is the piece de resistance, the Blue Impulse, flying right over my house. Look at them. Amazing. Today they were flying all throughout Osaka, and we get a great glimpse of Blue Impulse flying over my home. That is amazing. They're here for also the Bampaku fair in Osaka, the World Fair in Osaka, all the way till October. Look at them go so quick in these jet fighters. That is amazing. Everybody's out just looking at them. Isn't that amazing? Wow, what a great day. Super hot here in Osaka. Humid, but just so much to do. Here on the internet, I was able to catch a glimpse of what they look like close up. Here they were just landing in Kansai Airport, I believe, just finishing up their sky show. And yep, here they are. They're just landing in Kansai Airport. Amazing day today. Checking out Blue Impulse. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen it. If you haven't done already, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you, everybody, for coming, and have a great day. See ya.